So hello friends, today we shall learn about Excel functions, basically Vlookup, HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. This seems to be a bit confused for new learners, so I have made an attempt to simplify these functions and to get it easily understandable. So let me begin with the table. A table for an example. Let us treat this table as a model table for this operations functions to get performed. Here this table consists of 9 rows or records and 5 fields or columns. I have numbered it to easily identify the column. Each and every column has been numbered here and each and every row has been numbered here. So I think it is more than sufficient, the explanation, to know about the table and its contents. So let us dive into the VLOOKUP function. Rather getting into the detailed definition part, let us know it practically. So VLOOKUP function, the intention of VLOOKUP is to find out a value after looking up a value from the first column, which tracks the value, the lookup value from the same row in another given column. So in spite of defining it, as I said earlier, let us know it practically. So here let me begin with VLOOKUP. So it begins with an equals sign, VLOOKUP. I have to take this lookup value as 14. Here VLOOKUP searches the lookup value from the firstmost column of the table. Here I have taken it as 14. You may take it as 23 also, you may take it as 43 also. For example, I have taken it as 14. So as per the formula, as per the function, it has a specific formula which has 4 components. It has lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. Lookup value should be the values from the first column. This should be precise as far as VLOOKUP is concerned. So let us move further, comma, table array. To note down the table array, we have to place the left topmost cursor of the mouse at the first cell of the table and drag it to the last cell of the table. So it is C5:G30. Release the cursor of the mouse. So now it is the table array, comma, column index number. Here it is product is in second column, so it should be 2. The range lookup will be 0 for exact match. Close the bracket. We get the value as broccoli. Broccoli is at the 4th place of the row. As we have taken 4th row into consideration, it is displaying broccoli under the heading of product. In case we need to know about the amount of the order ID 14, so here we change the heading to amount. So order ID is the first heading from first column and the second heading in second column is amount. Order ID is 14, amount. When we are about to search the amount column, we need to change the column number here to 4, as amount number is at the position of 4th column. So you get the value as 2824. So again, in case of finding a value for 23 in the order ID, let me change it here. I will change it to 23 or XYZ, anything in the order ID. Let me take it as 64 itself. Instead of 14, let me take 64. Here you get the amount value to 2763, which is referring to the 9th row, that is order ID number 64. So I think the explanation is more than sufficient to know about a VLOOKUP function. Let us make it fast and know the minor differences between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, which will cover almost all the differences here in this clip. You can see the only common aspect here in HLOOKUP is lookup value. The table array is also common. Row index number in place of column index number, we are taking row index number into account, and here the VLOOKUP function performs horizontally. It checks, VLOOKUP performs vertically while searching a lookup value, and HLOOKUP performs horizontally while searching up for a lookup value. So in lookup value for HLOOKUP, we take the firstmost row into account. Firstmost row here is the lookup value is product, comma, table array again, as I said in VLOOKUP, comma, row index number. So as I said, HLOOKUP, the value, the search value, the HLOOKUP function works horizontally. Let us take the row index number of 23. 23 here it is in the row number 5. Let us make it 5, comma, 0 for exact match. So value is banana, HLOOKUP value is banana, as we specified about order ID number 23. Order ID number 23, product is banana. Just like what we did earlier in VLOOKUP, we can change these values accordingly. We have to change the number and the lookup values area in the function. Now we move to XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP works both vertically and horizontally. For example, let us know the XLOOKUP function. Let us perform this XLOOKUP function vertically. So here lookup value is 4, comma, first 4 lies in first row. I will take the total row into account. The range, I will select the total range of the first column, comma. We are interested in knowing about the product, so we select the product column range, comma, 0 for exact match. So product column value is shown as banana for the place of 4. So in case we change the value to 54, that is 54 is here, it is showing apple. So let us further move to XLOOKUP, where we can find values horizontally, equals XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP product, we are interested to know about product. So product is in first row, comma, 10 is in third row, comma, 0 for exact match. So this is XLOOKUP function. Here you can know the details I have highlighted in different colors. Here VLOOKUP function show in green color, red color and blue color. These are the areas we can differentiate the functions. So when you pause the video and get to know in close observations, you find the differences and you can understand the functions in detail. This attempt I have made to know the practicalities in the function rather than explanation. I hope this short video would be helpful for the learners of Excel about functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. For further videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I have posted the details about joins, SQL functions and all. Let us further learn about the data analysis videos in my further videos. Let us meet again. Thank you.